Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to build a color wheel. Let's get in it. Items needed to build your color wheel. You're going to need some sort of stencil that you can use to make a circle. A tape roll works, or if you have a Tupperware lid or a jar lid or something of that nature, find something that you can use as a stencil to make a perfect circle. You're also going to need a ruler or a straight edge. It doesn't necessarily have to be a ruler, but you'll need a straight edge. You will need a pencil, and you're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, and what I'm using here is the small watercolor paper that you'll find in your art kits. First thing we're going to do is we're going to place our circle stencil here, somewhat in the center there, and I'm going to trace my circle by running my pencil along the outside edge. Once I have my circle stenciled, I'm going to put a dot in the center of my circle, and we're just using a little bit of eyeball measuring. It doesn't have to be exact, but we're going to try our best to put it in the circle, making sure there's even distance from the center to the edge all the way around. Now that you have your center marked, we're going to use our straight edge or ruler to line up, and we are going to draw a line to cut the circle into two pieces. I'm going to draw a horizontal line to cut the circle into 4 equal pieces. And now here we're going to do a little eyeball measuring. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to divide each of these wedges into 2 equal segments by placing just a little line. So bam, bam. There's an even space, even space, even space. That's what I'm trying to do. There and there. Now that I have those marked with my pencil, I can take my straight edge and I'm going to line it up with that mark and this mark, the opposite mark in the opposite corner of the wedge below, and draw a line from here, touch the center all the way down. Now I've added a wedge. And then I'm going to slowly rotate my paper, connecting those marks that I made, and work my way all the way around until I've completed each one. Just remember to cross through the center dot that we marked at the beginning. Now I have 12 even wedges, or close to even wedges, that I'm going to use for my color wheel. This part is important. Now we're going to label our colors. So we have, of course, the primary colors starting with yellow. So I'm going to put a Y for yellow. And then next to yellow is going to be a tertiary color called yellow orange, which I'm going to label with yo. And then I'm going to label orange, and then I'm going to label red orange. Primary colors always are listed before a secondary or tertiary color. Red, red, violet, violet, blue, violet, blue, blue, green, green, and yellow, green. So now that I have all of my primary colors, which would be yellow, red, and blue labeled, I have my secondary colors, orange, violet or purple, and green, and I have a tertiary color, a third color, yellow, green, yellow, orange, red, violet, and blue, green. The fascinating thing about color is it's infinite. Red, orange, and red can make another red, orange, and it can go on and on and on as you mix your colors. So color mixing is endless, which is really exciting and kind of fun. Good luck on your color wheel. Email me if you have any questions or concerns or get stuck. Take care, and I'll see you later.